Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix CS2 for 3 block 60 Hertz. So basically it's only 60 Hertz and you can't select more Hertz even if your monitor supports 144 to 40, etc. right? So what you need to do here, if you have NVIDIA control panel, NVIDIA GPU, show more options, NVIDIA control panel. Maybe on AMD there is something similar, I really don't know. But you just need to go to adjust desktop size and position. First select the monitor that basically where you play CS2, then select aspect ratio, then go to perform scaling on GPU, override scaling mode, then select resolution. So it will be this one. Select the refresh rate and apply the changes and do the same on CS2. If you can't use these settings, these options is grayed out for you. What you need to do here is to go to adjust image settings or no, manage 3D settings and turn off image scaling, and it should work. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.